Hey everybody, what's going on? Jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, we will be talking about 3 crucial, very important Bluetooth settings to either turn on or change to get the best sound out of any Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth headset. Now yesterday I did upload a video talking about the 4 very important Bluetooth features that's on the Samsung Galaxy devices, which were the media volume sync, dual Bluetooth audio, separate app sound, and smart lock. So if you did miss that video from yesterday, make sure you guys go below the video inside the description. I'll place that video link for you. You can check that out because that is the 4 important Bluetooth features that the Samsung devices have. But this video today will supplement those to make sure you get the best sounding sound out of anything you're connected to. Before we move on, if you are brand new here at the channel of jimmyispromo and you own a Samsung Galaxy device, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for future videos. And don't forget about that playlist tab on the very top to check out all the videos I've made so far for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The first critical Bluetooth setting that we'll talk about today is a way that you're able to easily toggle between any of the audio sources, so any Bluetooth speaker or headset you're connected to, as well as your phone. So let's first go through my Bluetooth area here. You can see that I'm connected to 3 different Bluetooth sources: an LG speaker, the Samsung AKG headset, my Gear S3, but also the other area that sound can come from is the phone. So if we go inside of YouTube and let's just say that we watch one of my videos here, the sound is actually coming from, it looks like, the AKG headset. Now let's just say that we wanted to change it. So this definitely comes in handy for me when I'm connected to the audio source of my car. Sometimes there's something I would like to personally listen to from the cell phone. So if you pull down the notifications panel, you'll see this area that says Smart Things. And when you click on that little volume icon, you can see the different areas that the audio source can come from. So if you would like to change it to a little LG Bluetooth speaker, now it's connected to the speaker. If I hit on the little setting volume icon again and I click on my phone, now it's going to come from the phone audio. So again, as I said from before, this actually helps me because sometimes I'm connected to the audio in my vehicle, but sometimes I just want to listen to it from my phone instead because maybe there's other people in the vehicle. I'm able to change it right away. I know a lot of people, they'll sometimes just toggle this thing off, so in this way it'll automatically come from the phone, but there's a fast toggle you're able to use. Now you can see that my Smart Things icon has changed, that little speaker icon is gone, everything else is gone. It's because I'm not connected to anything through Bluetooth. So when this one is turned on, you will notice that it's going to reconnect with everything else, and then that old little area here is back again. So this way you can also toggle it again between Smart Things Tracker, you can toggle it to the LG speaker, or your audio output, which is what we're talking about. You can change it from phone or whatever you're connected to. Critical Bluetooth feature number 2, we're going to talk about the Dolby Atmos sound, and then the third one we'll talk about is the full equalizer. So first off, let's pull down the notifications panel. Then we're going to pull it down one more time just so you can see all of the little short, fast settings you're able to access from the top. You might have to scroll through the top to see where it's at, but mine is going to be right here on the front page on the very middle bottom. So with this one here, you're able to basically tap on the icon. What it'll do is it'll toggle it on, toggle it off. If you press and hold on the icon, it'll take you into the full running application of the settings. And just so you know as well, if you just tap on the word instead of the icon, it'll take you into a short version of the settings. So as you're listening to movies or audio or whatever the case, or maybe podcasts, maybe you want to switch it to voice. And then sometimes a lot of people, they just keep it on auto, and sometimes people have Dolby Atmos off. So you critically have to turn this one on. It is a feature, it's a setting that is new to the 9 series, the S9, S9 Plus, as well as the Galaxy Note 9. When you go through here and you're actually listening to things live, you can change through these options here, and you'll notice that there is a small change each time you change it. So if you're watching a movie, you might want to put it on movie. When you're listening to music, place it to music. And then if you are listening to a podcast or maybe even a YouTube video, place it over into voice. But now for the last one that we will talk about, this will probably sound best with Dolby Atmos and auto, or as well as music, because most of the time people listen to music when they are connected through something with Bluetooth. Now, once you have your Dolby Atmos set to music and not voice, then you do want to go inside of your settings. You're going to go down to where it says sounds and vibration. And then you go to the very bottom where it says sound quality and effects. Now this one is a huge factor out of all 3 of these. The reason why is because maybe if you have your Dolby Atmos on or off, your equalizer is set to normal. And then when your equalizer is set to normal, maybe everything is just flatlined. Or maybe somebody went through your settings and they changed everything to where the vocal is pretty much out there and so is the treble. So that means you're losing a lot of your instruments as well as the bass. So one of the things I do is either, if you want, you can place it to rock, and that was actually a pretty good setting. But a lot of times I do head over into custom, and then when I hit on custom, I actually move the left dial over into bass on the very last little dot. And then when it comes over to the second dial over here, I put a little bit more over into the instruments right over here, so it's pretty much the one dot to the left. Now you are able to go inside of the advanced features and you can change all of these individually as well. But when you see that I went through here and I placed my bass there, put a little bit of instrument there, it automatically changes it to what those best would sound like. Now if I head over and let's say to rock, you can see that these have just drastically changed. But how about we head over into one of those custom ones that I've done from before. This is pretty much how I have my settings set up. I don't need to go into the advanced setting of this. I just have this one set up as basic. Checking this out, I just want to see two wheels. I want to have a little bit more bass, a little bit more instrument, a little bit less vocal. I have my Dolby Atmos set up on music, and then this is going to sound fantastic when I'm connected to a Bluetooth speaker. Because I don't know how many times I see somebody reviewing a Bluetooth speaker and they say it doesn't really sound that great. It's kind of flat. There's really not as much bass, but then I connect my phone to their speaker and mine sounds way better. Simply, it's not just because it's a Samsung phone, it's because of the settings through Equalizer. So this has been 3 critical or crucial Bluetooth settings to turn on and change to get the best sounding stuff out of anything that you're connected to. A Bluetooth speaker, a Bluetooth headset. Yes, I have covered all the other 4 ones from before, the media volume sync, the dual Bluetooth audio, separate app sound, as well as smart lock. But when you're connected to a speaker, you have to make these changes to make those sound good or better. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe. You subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side, that little red circle. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys later.